Friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we will see hypomagnesemic tetany part 6. In part 6, we will see treatment and prevention aspect. This is an important metabolic disease from farmers' or dairy cattle point of view. We discuss here treatment aspect of hypomagnesemic tetany. The important thing is that clinicians should give calcium magnesium preparation, administration of both calcium salt and magnesium salt solution intravenous very slowly, and this intravenous injection should be followed by magnesium solution subcutaneous to maintain the magnesium level for a long time. Remember here, this is an acute disease, severe disease, nervous form of symptoms. So immediate treatment is necessary. Immediate treatment is necessary because there is no mobilizable store of magnesium in the body. Remember here, calcium is cardiotoxic. So injection should be given very slowly. While giving the intravenous injection, monitor the heart during calcium treatment because the calcium causes dysrhythmia or bradycardia. If certain adverse reactions are observed, stop giving the treatment, and when the animal becomes normal, then give again the treatment. Continuation of the treatment. After giving intravenous injection, the response to treatment will take time till the CSF level of magnesium is restored. So immediate response will not be there. Friends, remember, during treatment, animals should not be disturbed or stimulated because the disturbance and stimulation may cause precipitation of convulsions may lead to death. Even after treatment also, the cow should be left undisturbed without stimulation till response to the treatment because even slight disturbance or stimulation may cause convulsions and death. Please take care of while giving the treatment. Response to treatment will take its own time. We continue the treatment. We have seen that intravenous slowly calcium magnesium preparation. So it will immediately boost up the magnesium level and calcium level. But to maintain the magnesium level for a long time, the additional treatment should be given, and that is magnesium sulfate solution 10 to 20% subcutaneously, slowly of absorption, and it will maintain the level. Magnesium gluconate 15% solution subcutaneous, magnesium sulfate orally in water or with the feed. Magnesium sulfate enema is also boost up the magnesium level and maintain the magnesium level for the long time. So only intravenous therapy is only not the treatment, but it must be accompanied with subcutaneous or oral therapy also, just to maintain the level for a long time. We continue the treatment. You know that there are severe symptoms of central nervous system disturbance. So symptomatic therapy should also be given. Some clinicians suggested narcosis with chlorohydrate treatment, tranquilizers, morphine to avoid respiratory paralysis, and supportive therapy may also help. We see here prevention of hypomagnesemia. There is supplement of magnesium in feeding that cause the prevention. But here remember there should be daily magnesium sulfate supplement or any magnesium salt supplement. This magnesium supplement should be during the danger period when the pasture or grass is deficient in magnesium or at the risk or when they are stressed, then also it can be given. Daily magnesium supplement required because there is no readily available store of magnesium in body. So magnesium availability solely depend upon the dietary source and absorption. There are various ways for the magnesium supplement. How to supply magnesium elements? Remember, magnesium salts are unpalatable, so animal may refuse to eat. So magnesium salt must be mixed with any palatable food like molasses, concentration, hay, or any other food, so that animal can eat sufficient magnesium salt. Addition of magnesium salt in diet, especially magnesium oxide. Another way is addition of magnesium salt in water. Magnesium oxide or magnesium sulfate can be added to water. The mineral mixture molasses lick is also available, and additional magnesium should be available in molasses lick. That should also be given to the animal for susceptible animals. There are many other ways of magnesium supplement to the animal. Nowadays, a slow release intraruminal bolus is also available. That bolus will be retained into the reticulum and slowly releasing magnesium daily for the treatment. Application of fertilizers that is rich in the magnesium on pasture, that soil will enrich herbage or pasture with magnesium. That also corrects the magnesium deficiency. Dusting the powdered magnesium salt or spraying magnesium solution on herbage also is helpful for magnesium sulfate. So we have seen various ways of magnesium supplement to the animal, and that should be given during the danger period or when there is risk of animal for causing the hypomagnesemia. Continuation with the prevention, provision of comfortable shelter or protection during inclement weather, protection against winter, protection against cold, protection against wind and rain. That also helps to the prevention. Reduction of application of potassium and nitrogen fertilizers in pasture, because you know that potassium and nitrogen rich food that causes hypomagnesemia. So we have to reduce such potassium and nitrogenous fertilizers. Another important step is avoid all stress factors, because stress factors along with deficient diet may precipitate hypomagnesemia immediately or earlier. It is advisable to periodically assess the pasture to detect the level of potassium, nitrogen, magnesium. That pasture must be sufficient in magnesium ion. At the same time, there should be low in potassium and nitrogen because potassium nitrogen will interfere with the magnesium absorption. If these preventive measures are adopted, then hypomagnesemia can be prevented. Friends, I have discussed the treatment and preventive aspect in a more palatable or easy form. Please share this information to our veterinary friends and requested to subscribe the channel to promote the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video.